If you're like me and my family, then you get really excited when it's time to decorate for the holidays, but hate having to tear it down just to set up the next holidays decorations right after. With these lights right here, you're good to go year round, and we're so excited that we were gifted this permanent outdoor lighting set to make holidays fun instead of a chore. The set has 100 feet of lighting in it. That's 72 lights that have 30,000 different effects, up to 30,000 different effects, as well as 92 different scene modes that are already preset in it. You leave them up year round once you get them up, like I said, so no more up and down on ladders and stuff. You're good to go. It's got every light color in the spectrum, as well as a warm and a cool standard lighting that you could use during any time of the year just to light up your house at night. I'm going to show you guys what all's in the box. We're going to go over some installation instructions as well. You'll see me putting stuff up, and when it's over, we're going to use the really cool app that it has to show you some of the different effects and things that you could do when you use this system at home. Also, it's Google Home and Alexa friendly, so that makes it even cooler and easier to use, but y'all stick around so y'all can see what it looks like when it's up. Your permanent outdoor lighting kit has multiple strands with end-to-end connections that can be cut to any length or spliced using the junction boxes provided. It comes with an easy-to-follow instruction manual, as well as all of the hardware, mounting brackets, and adhesives you might need for the install. The dual output control mod gives you the freedom and flexibility to start and stop the lights anywhere. You can put all the lights on one output or divide them amongst both outputs, as few or as many as you want. Each light could be mounted using the pre-drilled screw hole or the adhesive back to put them in place. There are also individual wire clamps that you can use anywhere along the way. The instructions recommend installing the lights 2 to 4 inches away from the wall for the best lighting effect. Just a couple of quick tips. If you have a string line or a laser to maintain the distance away from the wall, it's a huge help instead of having to measure each one individually. And also, go ahead and peel the sticky back off of it and use that to put in place before you try to do the screw. Make your life a lot easier. Each light is spread out 16 inches apart, so if you have rafter ends or joist ends that come out on your eave, they should line up perfectly. The install time for this kit can be anywhere from an hour to a full day. It really just depends on the home. I did this one in about an hour and a half, and now it's time to check out what this thing can do in the app. It was really easy to get the app downloaded and sync it up with the lights. The app's loaded with cool features. It has a ton of presets that you could choose from for any holiday, Christmas, Halloween, the 4th of July. But my favorite part is that once you're in the app, you have full control of the lights to make any customizable scene or setting you want to set the mood for any holiday or occasion. And because every night's not a holiday, you could set the lights to white and adjust the temperature anywhere between warm and cool for a more traditional outdoor lighting effect. Once you've got the temperature you like dialed in, you could take it even one step farther and adjust the lights by dimming or brightening them anywhere from 1% all the way up to 100%. The only thing left to do now is to set a schedule in the timers, sit back and let the app do its thing. I'm super impressed by this lighting system. I cannot wait to get some more. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.